play with number 6, we play a little bit different. We play without 10, we play with 2 midfielders and 1 number 6. So, but I think this is the kind of the moment of the game. The approach is because I think the team is ready to play like that. We try to, in the first match, to put the York midfielder on the flank, to try to go inside and create numerical superiority and open the flank for offensive right back like Ipinda, and this is our plan, to attack from the right side. And from the left, to use Gilbert as a winger. This was our plan, I think it was good. We had some... We see the game, we was analyzing the game with the players, and most of the chances before the red card was from Rwanda. But it's true that after the red card, they change game, they take the ball and they start to make chances against 10 players. But in general, we were happy about our performance. This game is past. We play good level, but at least we couldn't win, that it was our objective. But we play as I wanted. Now what we have to do is to forget this game and to focus in the next one, because I'm sure they will be ready also to play a good game.
Okay, questions?
Yes, thank you, Coach. I'm Coach Seth from RWanda TV. This is the first match we're going to play at home for international game. The first one was for Ethiopia, which is for local players. And we have conceded 3 goals from Mozambique, for Senegal, even for Benin. So what are we going to expect here in the last minutes? Because we've seen the last minute for Senegal, the last minute, we are going to get a good result. But what are we going to expect, especially for those 20 last minutes for us, if you are praying for?
Also without fans. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I think the team is competing well. As I promised when I arrived, the team will fight. And we will be in good organization and we will fight every match. And we are doing this. What is true is that we lost some points in the last minutes. But every game was different. In Senegal, you know, Senegal against Benin, after 30 minutes was winning 3-0 at home. Against Mozambique, after 30 minutes was winning 3-0. Senegal is probably the best team in the country, in the continent. But we lost a penalty in the minute 96. So this is difficult to explain. The team was playing well, and against Benin, I explained before, was with 10. Benin has a very physical team with very physical players, and they start to, with 1 player more, they take 1 defender out, they put Munier as a top striker in front, and they start to put a lot of balls directly. And we lost 2 points at that moment, but I'm sure that if that match we don't lose a player, we won this match. I was sure about that, but now it's difficult to talk about it. What I expect, don't concede 2 goals in the last minutes, but this is football and everything can happen. What is sure is that the team is competing well, and we play face to face to everyone. We are not ashamed to play against anyone.
Yeah, you're home game without fans.
Without fans, just comment to play without fans.
Yeah, play without fans.
Okay, this is not good. This is not good because we start the AFCON qualification. We are ready not to play at home. We play the 3 matches away, and the team keep the options to qualify, even playing the first 3 matches away. That is not difficult always to play away. And every match, especially the last one, was with a big press, with all supporters from Benin, all the match helping the team. And we also need this. If we want to qualify, we need our supporters. We need to play at home with a big support from the country. But unfortunately, we cannot. We have to accept the decision, and we know that we will play like a neutral match. If you ask me, I prefer to play with supporters. This is simple. But as I say many times, I'm a coach and not a guy who should organize the thing. So I will do what is the last decision. We respect. We play without supporters. We will try to win even without supporters.
Thank you, Coach. Let's hear from the captain w'imikino y'Rwanda. Wazatangije tubwira uko mwiteguye imikino mbere ko dufata ibibazo bibiri kuri captain, hanyuma mu kanya mbere tukabareka tukajya mu myitozo.
Murakoze. Twebwe nk'abakinnyi twiteguye neza n'uko umutoza yabivuze, turikurikiza ibyo ari kudutoza n'ibyo ari kutubwira ko tugomba gukora, kubera ko uyu mukino wo mu rugo ni nko kuvuga ko niwo tugomba gushakiraho itike tujyana muri CAN. Kandi uko mubibona namwe uko mubizi, chance turayifite 100%. Ariko isigaye ni ukoresha amahirwe yose dufite kugira ngo tubone ko twatsinda umukino w'ejo.
Ikibazo kimwe
kapiteni yangu utubwire we nka kapiteni disikuru murimo kuganira because this is a special game ni umukino ufite urufunguzo kuri kwikarishya kuko usigaje hano ni imikino ibiri ni Senegal na Mozambique mwebwe disikuru muganira bagenzi bawe what are you discussing umukino I mean the team talk mufite as a captain bihagaze bite?
Actually, abakinnyi bose icyo bafite ni ukuvuga bari motivated kumva ko babonye amanota atatu kuri match ni nka final game ya mukuvuga iyi ni match ya do or die. Nituyiweho nukuvuga ko amahirwe turahita tuyataka ariko ubu abakinnyi bose uko bameze umva ko abakinnyi bose bawushaka kabisa bose ubona ko bashaka no gukina ariko kubera ko umutoza atabishyira mu cyose agomba gushyira mu cyumwe n'umwe babanza ubona ko hari competition no myitozo.
Okay, ikibazo cyane
Captain, umukino w'ejo ni umukino w'ingenzi kuri mwebwe kuwukina nta bafana ese ntabwo byabaciye intege hanyuma unatubwire ubuhe butumwa uri bugere abakunzi b'ikipe y'igihugu Amavubi.
Okay, I can say it's too bad for us not to have our fans. Ariko rero nuko imikino itatu tukinye hanze n'abafana bafite benshi ariko twagerageje kugira ngo tubone ko viewer twakwitwara neza. Ubu ngubu tuzi ko nuko batayobe muri stade ariko hanze ya stade bacuruzwa kandi twizeye ko bari badusengera ko twabona amanota atatu ku mukino waje.
Okay, thank you, Captain. Thank you, Coach. Wish you the best for the tomorrow.
Two free questions.
Yes, Coach, your second leg without Hakim Saha. Is there any solution you have in the squad, and which approach are you going to use in this second leg? Because as my colleague said, it's a do or die game. Yeah.
First of all, we know that we are in very good possibility to get the qualification. So because now the qualification is in our hands at home, so this is something important. And we know what important is the game for that. So we will be ready. About the Hakim Saharo, is a young player, is a talented player, everybody knows. And for sure, for us, it's a big loss because he's a player who can change one game in one moment, in one pass, in one assist. He's a talented player. But I trust all the players which are working with us. I trust all of them, and I'm sure that we will not have any excuse. This is a player who already has one game with the national team, so we cannot put so press to him. We have to put the press on the captain. But we trust everyone.
Yes, Coach, you have extended
No. Last question for someone who has not.
What should we expect tomorrow in the game? Also, what should we tell the runner that will be watching the game live on TV? What should they expect? Because it's a very big game for Rwanda in large, because we have been AFCON phase 2, so that it's already 16 years without going to AFCON. What should we expect tomorrow in terms of this match?
For me, it's clear, my message to the players, to play this game with personality, to play this game in our style. We know that if we want to play physically against Benin, we don't have chances. If we start to play physically against Benin, our chances is zero. So we have to try to play in our style that we are creating. Since I'm here, I don't know in the past, but what we are trying is to, in every game, to try to control the ball, to try to be the owners of the game, and this is what we want. But for sure, it's an opponent who also want to play. But our idea is this, my idea is this, and I prepare the team for that. After that, it's a football, everything can happen, and the opponent also is strong with a lot of players in top league, so we know what the difficult is the match. We cannot say, we draw there, we will win here easy. No, it's another match, it starts 0-0, and I'm sure that Benin now, probably they will respect us a little bit more after the first match, I'm sure.
Okay, thank you, Coach. Wish you the best.